Hey guys, welcome back in CodeSphere. So today in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can go in the reply activity from related list. So here you can see that this is fragment 2, and when you will open to, you can see that this three answers, understand? And now also when you will click on this image view and you will go in this related activity. And now guys, here when you will click on this where is NASA view reply. So also here you can see that these three answers. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you that how you can implement the same, how you can access the same Firebase child from different activities from different Firebase recycle adapters. So without wasting time, let's start. So guys, first of all, you can see that this is fragment2.java. So here we will implement no, not in this activity, we will open this related.java. So guys, after this, what here we will do is that just come here after this strings, and guys, we have to use the reply button that we have installed or we have implemented. So here you can write implement btn and then set on click listener, then new, then on click listener. But guys, make sure that you have given the reference in this view holder.java, understand? You can see this is reply btn, and here I have given the reference. You have to do this step, otherwise it will crash the app in runtime. That's why you have to remove that. For removing that error, we are doing this. After this guys, you can just come here in this fragment 2, and after this here you have to simply copy this code, control plus C from here, understand, from this fragment 2, and go back here, and then simply you have to paste it, control plus V, and now that's okay. After this here just that was fragment, and this is not a fragment, this is activity. So here you have to write is related dot this. Yes, now it's okay. And now we need to retrieve some strings, for example this user id, and then question, and then post key. So we already have this post key. Now we need user id, understand, and then question. So here it is. So guys, now we are just complete with this intent. So remove this commented line, understand? So after this open this reply activity and make sure this id should be same. This uid and this post key and this q is same parameter, and this value should be same. Here you can see that this is also use id, this is q, and this is post key, understand? After this we can run the app and see the output. Guys, you can see that now the app is running absolutely good. There is no error. So now I will open this fragment 2, and I think we have a question. Where is NASA? And yes, it is visible on the screen. You can see that this question is checked. So guys, when I will click on the button reply, so here we will go to this reply activity, and here we have these three answers. That was just for demo, don't take it seriously. And then after this guys, after this then I will open this related activity list, and I will open this activity, and it is crashed. So let me open this related xml layout file. So guys, as you can see that the app is crashed. So just I will see the error. So let me open this related item, and I hope that we have given the wrong reference. Maybe that is why it is creating problem. So here you can see that this is a text view reply, and now we have this id related reply item question, understand, and related reply item question, and yeah, that is wrong id. Here you can see that yes, this id is wrong, or yeah, that id was not wrong. The actual problem was here we are using the wrong reference, maybe that's why it was crashed. And you don't have to change that id, understand? You have to change open this related, and here we have this set item related, understand? Open this view holder, set item related, and make sure that here we have to give the reference for that reply button. Yes, so just make it reply button 1, and then it will be fine. So then go back in this related and just make this reply btn 1, and it is showing that error. So let me see that reply btn. So I will solve that problem just in few seconds. So go back in this and then here you have to do is yes, write one more reply btn, that will be reply btn1, understand? Now that it is gone, you can go back in this related.java. So guys, these small things just happens when you do coding. So now you can see that the reply one is pretty fine. So I will run the app again and see the output. This time we should not have any error. So guys, you can see that the app is running again pretty good, there is no error. So now I will again open this fragment 2, and we will have the question where is NASA. Then I will click on the image view, and then we will have this bottom sheet. Then we will go in this related.java, and guys, you can see that this time there is no error, understand? That is app is working absolutely good. So guys, when I will click on this view reply text view, so here you can see that we successfully came in this activity, and here you can see the three answers of the question where is NASA. So you can see that this is working absolutely fine, there is no error. So guys, that is just simply incredible, because you can see that these are the different two activities, and we are accessing the same Firebase database child from two different post keys, and this is just possible. And guys, it took me almost 2 days to find this way for implementing the reply functionality from both the activities, understand? You can see that this is the same child, and when you will open from this related activity, so it will open the same child, understand? And you can also implement the voting functionality. You can see that not only the answers, you can also upvote the answer. Here you can see that when you will open the view reply, so here you can upvote. You can see that voting functionality is also working absolutely good. So I hope you like this video, you like this technique. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, because I will upload more interesting videos just like this. So without so guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.